Welcome back to Chess Edu Vibes! Hi Edu Vibers! Today's quick lesson is about two words we often confuse. Your and your with an apostrophe. Your shows possession, meaning something belongs to you. Examples. Is this your bag? Bag mo ba ito? I like your smile. Gusto ko ang ngiti mo. Don't forget your homework. Huwag mong kalimutan ang takdang aralin mo. Your with an apostrophe is a contraction of you are. Examples. You're very kind. Mabait ka. You're going to be late. Malilate ka na. I'm glad you're here. Masaya ako na nandito ka. See the difference? Your possession. Your with an apostrophe, you are.